Good day, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware of risk in the future trading. We started today a little bit early. It's around 2:20 right now, and we like to see some of the charts. They're not done yet, and today was nothing special really. There's no magic numbers, and we still have the DAX on 5,200 on the last trade, and then we have the gold 2 minutes have 840 on the last trade, and then the Nasdaq 5 minutes have 1,000 on the last trade, and then we have the YM 4 minutes on the last trade we have 700, and then we have the YM on the 2 minutes still in a trade, and the Nasdaq today, look at this chop in the market in the Nasdaq on the 4 minutes 1800, and then we have 720, and the ES8 range we still have one trade, and the ES 5 minutes we still have. It's funny because we have one of the members, he followed what we told him, and I want to share the screenshot from his email. 1 second. I believe this client is from Europe, because on Monday we covered the setting on the Nasdaq, and what he followed the steps. Luckily, sometimes we have people open what we are talking about. They open their ears. Thank you for up almost 10,000 before 9 a.m. So I believe this client, one of our client, I believe he's in Deutschland. I'm not sure, but that was the email 4 hours ago. Now is around 2:30. So yes, and based on the recommendation you provide yesterday, which it was Monday, the day before, thank you for the NQ almost 10,000 before 9 a.m. and the ES 2,400 before 9 a.m. So this is indicate that you can use this auto trade in the morning, or if you are in Europe, or if you are in a different country, because sometimes in Europe we get also a lot of trends, especially on the CL gold before the opening. So he did better than I did. Nasdaq, if we want to look at the Europeans, there is a lot of trends in Europe as well. So Nasdaq today is only 1,100. Today the auto trades did their job. The market was not moving. They just did their job. 20, they all on a $1,000 target, and some of them they got a little over 1,000. But as you see on every single chart, there is not big wave. 2840, and look, this is pity because we were done with this trade at 10:20. If we have the auto trade on, would have been an additional at least $8,000 on the Nasdaq on the 500. But the auto trade stopped because hit the target. The target is 1,000 and stopped at 1019. But how would we know the market is going to trend after that? This is the puzzle, And a CL 9 range, 6 range, 2300 did the job. And the ES 4 minutes On the ES 4 minutes, we got 1,150. And on the YM, we got 2,000. And then on the ES 3 minutes, which the target is 1,000 and he got 1,050. Doesn't matter. 2,600 on the ES 7 range and the ES 9 range. Those are the same auto trade every day. And you can see has nothing to do with the auto trade, has to do with the market movement. And that's how it is. And CL on the 8 range, 1,000. And the CL on 9 range is 1,300. On the market analyzer, we have 20 different auto trade. We cannot cover all the 20 different auto trade. I need 40 computers to do that. On the market analyzer, you can see on the last trade, based on one contract, is 329 ticks into profit based on the last entry signal, not the whole day. On the Nasdaq, based on one contract, 117, and then based on the last entry signal, 45 ticks. So if you are only trading ES, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones at this moment, those numbers you see on every single trader computer. It's not just on my computer. On every single member, he will have the same numbers. And if you are trading those on the last entry signal, you have 255, 670, and 437 based on one contract. That's how it is. And folks, that's all what we have for you today. I wish you a pleasant evening, and we will see you another day. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Bye for now.